Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name's Emily. This is my dog Charlie. We're going to take a little walk with you today. I'm going to meet you back here and we're going to get started in our gentle walk. Let's go. Nice. So beginning here in a gentle walk, we're just walking in place, nothing fancy. Welcome to my channel. If we've not met yet, I'm Emily. I'm a registered nurse and a yoga teacher. I'm also a wellness professional, and I create videos here online to help support you in your wellness journey, any age, any season, stage of the game. Today we're going to walk about 5 minutes or so, just to help support us in our wellness goals. I just read about this interesting study that they've done that has shown if you take a short walk, we're saying 5, maybe 10 minutes after a meal, so after dinner, about 60 to 90 minutes after a meal, it helps us moderate our blood sugar. So just that simple act of walking, you can walk in place, maybe you're walking outside or on a treadmill, but just that activity helps boost our metabolism, changes some stuff around, and helps us reduce our blood sugar. So that's just amazing to me. It's a simple act that you can probably do almost any time of day, almost any day of the week. Okay, so we're walking here in place. If you're new here, we have 4 basic moves. The first one is just walking here. Step it out. Get the body moving. Get that circulation going. Moving that lymphatic tissue, so helping our immune system, our cardiovascular system. Take these at your own pace as always. So you make this workout work for you. Nice. The next move, I'm going to show you here. I'm going to turn to the side. It's going to be a knee lift. So lift the knee, lift the knee. As the knee goes up, see if it feels okay to start reaching both arms to the sky. Nice, so I like to keep these low impact, no jumping, no dance moves that we're learning here. Nice job. We're here for 3, 2, 1. Return to your walk. And move the body in a healthy way every single day. So if you just have these 5 minutes to move, you're in great shape. Keep it up. Do this every day. You're gonna feel so much better, I promise you. If you can lengthen these workouts a little bit longer, you're really gonna make a big impact in your health and wellness journey. Nice, so 2 moves so far. The next one's gonna be a side step, so just use the space you have. We're gonna step out and back in. Go at your range of motion. We're just starting to open up the lower body, open up the hip area. Finding some mobility here. Rocking side to side. Feeling a little dancey? You go ahead and dance, my friend. Here we are, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Return to your walk. Keep moving. Just checking my time here. Nice. Okay. So we're about 3.5 minutes in. Again, these workouts don't have to be super long to get a good health impact. So you're doing a great job. Next move, let's take a kick here. I'm gonna kick and reach both arms out. So stay upright through the spine. This is great for balance too. I get that request all the time, every single day. How can you help me with my balance? These moves right here, they're helping with your balance. You're sticking around, standing on your standing leg a little bit longer. You might have a little added support. You can see I have a railing here. If I need it, I'll use it. We're here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice job. Return to that walk. Another incredible benefit of walking, again, whether it be walking in place at home, walking outside, enjoying nature, or just spending some time on the treadmill, it helps improve our focus, improve our memory, and helps us even solve problems. So they've done studies that show even just a short walk, again 5, 10, maybe 15 minutes long, if you're focused on a problem during that walk, it can help you solve that problem, increasing your creativity to up to 66%. So it's so cool. 3. Improving your focus, your memory, even your physical balance. Nice job. And then next move, let's go ahead and take our side step again. We're stepping it out and out, out and out. Nice. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Return right here, walk it out. We're gonna finish it up strong. We're here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice job. Slow it down. Take a minute here to kind of reset. If you want to go a little bit longer, I do have some other videos. I have half a mile, and 1.5 mile videos that you can check out. If you're ready to calm it down, let's go ahead and take an inhale. Sweep your arms high. Full body stretch. Exhale. Let it go. So good. We're gonna just reach one arm high to the sky. Inhale. Exhale, fold to the other side. You could look up or down or somewhere in the middle. Release that arm, and then we'll take it to the other side. Inhale, really stretch, grow tall in the fingertips. Exhale to fold. Nice job today. Give it a shake. Definitely check out one of my yoga videos if you need some deeper stretching. If we've not connected online yet, you can head over to my website. It's emilydaugherty.com. Over there you can grab your gentle stride guide. It's a beginner's guide to home walking that I created just for you. And I'd love for you to grab it, download it, print it, let me know how it works for you. If you're enjoying these videos, please like, subscribe, and share. That's just gonna help other folks find me and help me spread this goodness. Tell all your friends, if you move better, you feel better. Yeah, that should be all of our mottos. So stay active, stay moving, and I will see you again very soon. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.